What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, live from sunny South Florida. And today we're going to be installing the NIA sides on this beautiful Lexus UX. Stay tuned. So a little bit about the side skirt is made out of ABS plastics, so it's nice and durable. 2 is designed with this car in mind, so all the body lines match the Lexus UX. 3 is available in many different finishes. For example, this raw black right here. We also have it painted in gloss black, satin black, or even matte black. We can also color match it to the F Sport gray, which is very similar to your grille, or to your vehicle, for example, the Redline 3T2. And lastly, all our side skirts are reinforced on the bottom for all your lower cars out there. With the pictures of the NIA sides, you're gonna receive your anchors, 2 retainer clips, and 2 support screws. For this installation, you're gonna need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a Torx T25 tip, and a Phillips tip with an angle driver for a quicker installation. So step 1 is to wipe down the bottom of the car, make sure that there's no rocks or anything that's gonna interrupt your installation. Just get a clean rag, wipe them down. Keep in mind guys, if you're lifting up your car, use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're gonna use an angle driver and we're just gonna creep up underneath. After you wipe down the bottom of the car, if your car has a front splash guard, you have to remove it. To remove the front splash guard, you need a Phillips screwdriver. In this case, we're gonna use the angle driver. And you need a clip remover to remove the clip in the back. Once the screws and the clip is removed, remove the splash guard and make sure to reinstall the clip in the back to hold your fender lining. Now that you remove the front splash guard, we're gonna go to the back splash guard and you're gonna remove this one as well. This one, it requires the T25 torque tips. In this case, we're using the angle driver and we're gonna remove the screw on the bottom and one in between the wheel well. Once you remove the rear splash guard, make sure to put the factory bolt from the wheel well back on. That way your liner is not flapping. Now that the back splash guard is gone, this is when you're going to use the same Torx tip to remove another torque screw that's lined up to the back of this pre-drilled hole. Now that that Torx screw is gone, now you're going to find 5 cap clips that align themselves with these pre-drilled holes right on the bottom. This is when you get your clip remover and we take them off. Now that the cap clips are gone, you're gonna find 2 more clips that align themselves to these 2 factory holes, and you're gonna remove them. The same thing with the clip remover. All right, now that everything's gone, this is time to install the NIA sides. And I like to start with the factory bolt that we removed from the back. Just present it through the pre-drilled hole and reinstall it. Once you have the back screw on, this is when you get the retainer clips that we provided to you. And the same thing, present it to the pre-drilled hole and mount it right in the same point where you removed the clip from. And then do the same thing for the one in the back. Now that the NIA sides are in place, get the other factory bolt that you removed, and the same thing, present it through the pre-drilled hole, and this time use it to hold the NIA sides up. Now that the bolts are on, this is when you get the anchors that we provided to you, and these are gonna slide right in the same hole where we removed the caps from. Let's do it. Once all the anchors are in place, This is when you get the support screw, and we're gonna self-tap into the side skirt through the pre-drilled hole on the side skirt. Once the support screw is in halfway, this is when you get the stubby Phillips screwdriver, and you're gonna hand tighten the screw. That way you prevent from over tightening it with the drill and stripping the plastic side skirt. While you're tightening this one up, might as well tighten up the anchor ones with the stubby screwdriver. Let's do it. And lastly, we're gonna tighten up the 2 torque screws in the back. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus UX. Thanks again.